family, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be getting rid of this my gray hair. I don't know if you guys can really see it. Let me also just put a clip over for you guys to see how much gray hair I have. My gray hair is mainly in the middle part. I normally use henna and indigo to color my hair and it takes a long time. So I came across this Herbishh black hair shampoo. I got this from Amazon. If you want, I will leave it down in the description box. It's very simple. It's a shampoo and it lasts for 2 to 3 weeks. That's not a long time. It is not permanent. It have all natural ingredients in it, so I decided to give it a try. Now what they say, you should apply it on dry hair, but being that I did my overnight hot oil treatment last night, so I have oil on my hair and then I want to straighten my hair after, so I need to do 2 washes. So first I'm gonna go in and shampoo my hair with my Secret shampoo, and then I will just let it air dry for a few minutes, and then I will come for us to apply this black hair shampoo onto my hair. I'm very excited for this because you guys know using henna, it takes a long time and then you have to go into with indigo, and but I normally just use henna, and that is why I have these brownish reddish in my hair. But I have been using it DIY for over 6 months now. I mean, when I say DIY, any DIY deep condition like henna, for the past 2 weeks I've been using my onion juice, but I haven't made any Ayurvedic DIY. So all what you see is all new growth, so my hair is really growing. I only been using my Secret spreader. So let me go and shampoo my hair, and then I will come back for us to start applying this to my hair. So I'm done shampooing my hair. All what come in the box is the shampoo, and then you have a glove. What is this gonna do for my kinky hair? This is nothing. So I'm gonna use my conditioner to detangle after I rinse this out, and then go in with my Secret treatment mask. It just come with a menu that you can go through and read, and I already read the directions, so all I'm gonna do is put my gloves on and then start applying this to my hair. This have this thing closed in here, so you have to take it out for you to be able to squeeze this to get the shampoo out. So I'm done applying this to my hair. The directions say keep it on for 15 minutes. So I'm gonna set my timer for 15 minutes. After, I'm gonna go rinse it out, and then I will come and show you guys if it did change my gray hair. It got a little bit of strong scent to it, but not too much. This is my really gray hair area, so let me put a little bit more. The direction also says make sure you do a patch test because some people will have allergic reaction. So far so good. I'm not having any burning. I'm not having any reaction to it. So let's see. So I will see you guys after I rinse it out. It's been 15 minutes. I'm gonna go and rinse this out. But I just also wanted to show you guys next time. I think I'm gonna put some Vaseline around my hairline because some came on my skin. And my ear is getting red, so it's time for me to go and rinse this out.
All the gray is gone. Completely wiped clean. You got a clean slate, dear. No orange, no gray, no white.
Nice.
Beautiful black. Gorgeous.
So it works. And this is just a shampoo. So what I'm gonna go do now, I'm gonna detangle my hair with my conditioner. And then after that, I will apply my treatment mask, sit under the steamer for like 30 minutes, and then I'll rinse it out and go and blow dry my hair. I'm so happy this took me, what, less than 20 minutes? Wow. Wow. This is very convenient. I love henna. It's amazing. It's natural. It's organic. It's herbs. But this product also claims that it's made of natural and organic ingredients. So I'm excited for that. I'm happy for that. You guys know we don't use chemicals. So when I saw natural, that's what really drew me towards it. So if it's natural and I can cut off my hair in less than 20 minutes, then yes. So I applied to my hair. As you guys saw, I only left it in for only 15 minutes. And this is how it took all my gray hair away just in 15 minutes. So I love it. I love it. But again, let's see how long this is going to last. They say on 2 to 3 washes. And you guys know I wash my hair once a week. So let's see how long it's going to last. I'm also going to keep you guys updated. So if you have gray hair and you're looking for something natural, I would recommend you research about this product first. Number 2, I would also recommend that you do a patch test. My ear is back to normal because my ear started burning a little bit. So next time I'm going to put Vaseline all on my ears and all around my hair just so I don't get the product on my skin. But it's also rinsed out pretty good. But yeah, but that's it. So if you're interested in this product, I will add it to my Amazon storefront. And then I will also leave a link down in the description box if you want to check it out. Easy way to turn your gray hair back to black hair. And apart from that, this come in also different hair colors. I think it come in reddish, brown, and then a few other colors. But I will leave their link down and then you can check it out. This is not a sponsored video. I just went on Amazon. I wanted to change my gray hair because I saw this gray hair shampoo all around TikTok. So I just went and chose this brand. So they don't even know I'm reviewing this product. So this is my honest review. But yeah, but let me go and finish doing my hair. And then I think I'm just going to end this video here. What do you guys think? Nothing else to show. So thank you so much for watching. If you love this video, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you want more information on this product. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.